Okay guys, I'm going to try out my new little hold down system here. I think it's going to work pretty good. And I'm going to cut some 1/4 inch high density polyethylene, or HDPE. I've sold a couple of little table saw brackets that are on my other website, and I've got to cut some HDPE to complete those. So I'm going to go ahead and use this new one. I haven't even used my old one since I got this thing up and running, because this one's a lot of fun to run. Really neat little machine. So let's get started and make some snowflakes. Okay, I managed to get the HDPE pieces cut that I needed to for these little table saw fence brackets. And by the way, if anybody is, you'll see this on my other channel, but if anybody is interested in getting one of these, you might want to get it pretty quick, because I think I've got 5 left, and after those are gone, I'm not going to make any more. So anyway, got these done. I tell you what, I'm really liking this little machine. I'm loving this little Porter Cable 450 compact router. It's the perfect size for this machine, and really does a great job. So really happy with this. I was thinking about maybe doing a giveaway in the future with this, but I don't know, I may want to keep it now. It's really running good, and really like it. So Anyway, that's going to wrap up this little video. Just thought I'd show you cutting some other stuff besides wood. And I want to thank y'all for watching. I appreciate all my new subscribers. Appreciate all the support the new channel's getting. If you want to find out more about these things, I'm going to have, this is the 24 by 18 model, and I'm also got a 36 by 24 coming out, and I should have some units ready to ship probably towards the end of the first week in January or into the second week of January. I should have some of these ready to ship. So let me know if you're interested. And again, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.